The 84-year-old Odia cinema started as early as 1936 with the release of the first film, Sita Bibaha.
See, the first Odia film got released in 1936, and coincidentally 1936 was the year when Odisha as a state was formed on linguistic basis. So that the year the state is formed, the same year the first film is made. But we have to see why, and films were happening elsewhere, but it took 15 long years for the second film to happen. And the reasons for that, we didn't have a studio here, we didn't have anything, there was no urban settlement, so we had to depend on Calcutta or Madras or Bombay to tell our stories, through cinema. But like in other places in the 60s, Odia cinema actually, there were a few remarkable films in Odia because the culture of Odisha as such, you have a very strong literature here, you've got great folk arts, great classical architecture, everything was here but not known so much to the outside world.
The Odia films that followed Sita Bibaha were all commercial films.
Sri Loknath, an Odia film directed by Prafulla Sen Gupta, received the National Award in 1962 for the first time.
However, Mrinal Sen's Odia film Mattera Manisha, based on a classical Odia novel with the same title, was the first attempt at art cinema belonging to the genre of neorealism, but an isolated one in 1966. In the context of Odisha, the new wave explored a new horizon and went beyond the commercial, traditional Odia films, creating realistic and unconventional cinema.
Almost around 1980, art cinema movement was heralded by some of the FTII Pune graduates, prominent among whom was Manmohan Mohapatra in 1980.
Just after passing out from the Film and Television Institute, I started work on my first film, Sitarati. I shot the film sometime in 1976, but it was only completed in 1980.
He is the only Odia film director who made 10 films in 10 years between 1982 and 1992 and won 10 national awards, 5 of which were consecutive awards.
Now, Manmohan Mohapatra is one of those rare exceptions who has been able to make film after film after film. But that's a rare exception because by and large the other Odia filmmakers haven't been able to do that. His path-breaking Odia film is Sitarati.
Sitarati by Manmohan Mohapatra creates an authentic milieu in the village with a backdrop of factional feuds and petty politicking. The film depicts the love affair between a rich man's son, Pranab, and poor girl Aruna, which crumbles under the class conflict. Pranab's cowardice and docile nature contributes to the collapse of the relationship. The portrayal of stark realism and the underplay of Aruna's intense emotions and feelings give a new perspective to the film. The romantic scenes are unique creations, primarily because of the back and forth cutting of shots, the locations, painstaking track shots, and the scenes along the railway tracks are masterpieces, unparalleled and unique. It is a masterly work of art.
His other major films are Neerab Jhada, Klanta Aparanna, Maji Pahacha, Nishiddha Swapna, Kichi Smriti Kichi Anubhuti, Andha Diganta and Muhurta.
My second film, Neerab Jhada, which in English would be probably called The Silent Storm, is basically an attempt to portray a human situation in the context of specific cultural milieu. The protagonist of the piece, Bhamara, he defies the landlord in a particular situation where his daughter Fulla alleged about a relationship with another boy, and he is excommunicated from the village, and he is also asked to pay a penalty as well as repay his debts. Now Bhamara has no other options to go to the distant lands to work as a migrant laborer. When Bhamara and Fulla are waiting in the platform for the train to arrive to take them to the distant lands, Fulla weeps. Bhamara tells her,
କାନ୍ଦୁଛୁ କାହିଁକି? ଆମେ ପୁଣି ଫେରି ଆସିବା। ଭିଟାମାଟି କ'ଣ କିଏ ଛାଡ଼ିକି ଚାଲିଯାଏ? ବନ୍ଧ ଆରପଟେ ସେଇଠି ମୋର ବୁଢ଼ା ବାପା ଜନ୍ମ ହେଇଥିଲା, ମୋ ବାପା ଜନ୍ମ ହେଇଥିଲା, ମୁଁ ଜନ୍ମ ହେଇଥିଲି। ଆମେ ପୁଣି ଫେରି ଆସିବା, ପୁଣି ଜମି ଦଖଲ ନେବା।
Now you see, this is a defining moment in the film, because in spite of all odds, it is the indomitable human spirit which is reflected in these last words of the film.
Manmohan Mohapatra's national award-winning feature film, Klanta Aparanaha, Tired Afternoon, depicts the lives of three unmarried female teachers of a village school.
लिंगराज परिजा कृष्णचंद्र खड़ीरत्न
Klanta Aparanna is once again set in the backdrop against the backdrop of a rural milieu. It's about three women who teach in the village school. Now we observe these characters and explore their joys and sorrows, their attitudes and motives, their illusions and disillusionment, and link them contextually to a social totality of which they are a part.
अरे आद्या
हाँ
सुनो मैं तसमा आनी वाला
हाँ वो खबर दे ऐसी
किए देची किलो अशोक बाबू देचंदी
The film is a contemporary reality in a truthful manner, and the audience feels the pangs of the unsolicitous, tired afternoon, which is neither an autumn afternoon nor a spring sonata.
हाँ कौन ठीक कलो
को कथा
तुम चाकरी छाड़ीबा आ बाहागर
मते गोटे वर्ष समय दियो
वर्ष वर्ष ही तो 5 वर्ष बीती गला मासु के केईटा टंका पई तुम चाकरी मुह छाड़ी परनो
ए केईटा टंका ऊपर तो गोटाय परिवार रो भविष्य निर्भर करूची
गारे जो परिस्थिति हेलानी तारा उठी न रहबा भलो
मु भी ठीक करची स्कूल छाड़ी चल जीवी मोर किंतु भूल नहीं
Maji Pahacha is about a budding young poet, an idealist, who is unable to uphold his idealism in the face of stark realities. The message is that as he had written a poem on anti-dowry, and the family aspirations and compulsions force him to take dowry because he has a sister to get married off. He has a brother who would like to pursue engineering studies. He has a retired father. And he realizes that there is probably no alternate. He painfully takes out that poem which he had once written about anti-dowry and burns it in the flame of the lamp. Well, the female protagonist of the film, Nishiddha Swapna, her protest is a bit more aggressive than her earlier counterparts. She once thinks that maybe she would end her life because she is very intimately in love with the boy. And the other end, she says, why should she die?
जो स्वप्न को मो पे बापा आपण निषिद्ध बोली घोषणा करथिले सेही स्वप्न को सत्य रे परिणत करबाकू मु आज आपण मानक पाखरु दूरेई जाउची.
कुनी ए कुनी
आज्ञा.
Manmohan Mahapatra's film Kichi Smruti Kichi Anubhuti is based on the life of a retired clerk in the village.
एते बेले माछ कोठो आइला.
पंचायत पोखरी मरा होतला आइसो टिके नहले सत्यटा अशांति होची तो.
His son is searching for a job. His daughter is having an affair with the village boy.
से माने मो बाहागर ठीक करिवा लागि भारी व्यस्त.
But the parents are considering proposals for her marriage elsewhere.
दिलाई तम चिठीर उत्तर दबार डेरी हे बोली तमे विरक्त हो किंतु आज तम चिठी पाइबा आगरु मु तम पाखु चिठी लिखुची.
Andha Diganta, the blind horizon, once again portrays the village life in Odisha. Shankar is a labourer of the zamindar in the village. His wife Sita suddenly passes away because of a mysterious illness. Shankar goes to the city without telling anyone and returns with a new bride who was a prostitute.
बाहर कोन कथा साउछन सुनलठी चलो मु पंचायत को जवाब देबी मते सेमन बेसिया बोली कहबे मु किछ कहबिनी.
The village panchayat revolts against him.
आमे गां छड़ी चली जिबा.
ए गां छड़ी ओ जिबा कोडे
शहर को सेठ तो शांति टिके रही परिबा. किछ नहले तो एमन को दाउर रक्षा मिलबो.
जेते कष्ट हेले भी बापा जे हमर जमे को तो पुनी मुगले पड़िबो.
मुकुलेबो ए गाँव आउ 10 जन को भली तम जमी तम फेरी पाइबनी. तमे सुझिब तम पर तम पुओ सुझिब एमती चलीथिब.
Vinna Samay deals with the protagonist who is unable to cope up with the job he has been given in a financial institution because of his honest ways. Then he decides to leave the job and start a small business of his. When he starts a polymer business, he realizes there too he has to compromise on various counts, and in the process he goes on climbing the ladder of life in terms of materialism. And then once when he is on his way, he stops at a place and he sees a car turned down and had fallen down the ridge, and people there are talking that he was travelling at such a great speed that the driver couldn't control. Then he asks himself, how far can one go? How far can one go at this speed?
In the film Muhurta, Manmohan depicts the acceptance of old values by the protagonist Somu. Somu, a very brilliant boy from the village school, has completed his studies in the city.
बहु मु सिलेक्ट हेची
कोन
माने मते चाकरी मिली गला.
When he gets into the IAS, his parents and villagers feel very happy.
जा हो मो मनटा आज खुशी कर देबे.
Somu gets married to an upper strata girl who doesn't want her father-in-law, Raghu, to play drum at the temple. He agrees not to play it.
समू ए समू
कोन बाबू
ताको देहटा भलो नै ढोलटा नै कोडे गले टिके देखिलु.
हो मु देखुची.
But at the time of puja, he suddenly picks up the drum and plays it but falls down.
बापा
Son Somu picks up the drum and plays it much to the delight of the father. The other Odia art cinema, directed by Manmohan Mahapatra, are Trisandhya, Agni Veena and Bits and Pieces in Hindi.